I think this is where I'll be starting this particular video from.
So hello guys, how are you all doing? Good day and welcome to another weekly update. I think this should be episode 10. Weekly update episode 10. So last week I didn't get to do much of it, and I just caught some some waste post, and we make that already. So okay, no, I've made that already. So by the way, here is it on the decks. I still have a lot to do, as I've told you last week that I'm going to do a waist post 10 of it. I will make this crossbody bag 6 of it, then I will be making a handbag. I've not done that, so I still have some material on the decks for the rest of the crossbody bag. I just make the waist post already. So here are they, as you can see. This is 10 of it, so I didn't make extra. So this is how we will be starting the week. So by the way, we'll be doing a lot of things this week. I've been busy lately. I was attending some events, so probably if it's possible for me to film at the event and do some interview with some top leather work people, so probably I will put that in the video. And if it's not possible, maybe I will just do a video for that. So the event I'm attending is Abuja Leather Summit, or what is it even called? I don't care. Sorry, there are a lot of things going through my mind. So that is by the way. If I'm able to film at the event, I will put it on the video, and if I was unable to do that, I will just make a separate video and talk about that. So we are starting the week now. Those are still there. As I've said in the last update that the client was not around, and he has not called me when he's going to be around to collect it. Probably in this particular weekly update, I will be packaging those and those posts I show you inside, and the rest of the accessories as well. If I'm able to finish the rest of the goods for that particular client, I will package everything in this week. So I pray so I should be able to do that. So that's what we have, by the way. So I will be letting you guys know how things are being done in the shop and how things are being running. So thank you guys for being here. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. It's free, it costs you nothing to subscribe. When you subscribe, you can turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a particular new video. Leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think, if I'm doing good, or if this video is worst. If you want me to change the pattern of making it, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have people that you think video on this channel is going to be of help to, please feel free to share this video with them. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a giant thumbs up, and we'll see you as we proceed to the rest of the weekly updates. Thank you guys for watching all over the world, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all wherever you are on the planet Earth, and I'll see you on the other side. So guys, welcome back. As I was saying, so here are the work so far. This is the one we made last week. It's still on the decks where I left it. So these are some adjusters I will be using for the particular crossbody bag that we're making now. So that is it on the decks, and the zip is on the floor. We are about to start that right now. So I was saying something before I cut off the video, that people ask me questions. I would like to attend to their questions. So I think I will be making a separate video that will attend to those questions they ask, like people that ask that how much material will be enough to make a traveling bag. People ask that, and how to make some handle and some other things. If you watch the every weekly updates when I was making those duffel or traveling bag, you see I've made those videos. So for basically the measurements may not be complete there, but if you watch the illustration, the measurement is there. But if it's that you want me to show you how I make the handle, because what I did is I just fast track it, make the handle, and show you the outcome of the handle. I didn't show the process of making it. So if that is what you are asking for, I think I will be making a separate video for that. But if that is not what you are asking for, if you just want how we make it, if you check all the weekly updates, just go through it and check the right top, the topic. So there you will find what you are asking for. there's a video, and in the weekly update there's one of the weekly update I talk about the material that will be enough for you to make a particular bag as well. So but if you still want anything on that concerning it, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will be glad to make video on that. So it should just be like a sit down video for you guys to see, so no much. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing so that you won't miss any of the important updates and tutorial we'll be posting on this particular channel. If you do subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. You can share this with your friend. Give us a giant thumbs up if you like this particular video or any of the video on this channel. You can leave a comment in the comment section below, anything you think or anything you want us to do. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the process of making the rest of the video. Bye. So hi guys, good morning and welcome to the continuation of the video. So by the way, work has not been going as planned in the shop, because you don't expect people to just do work every day when the economy is a little bit bad. So actually the event I was talking about, I'll be putting that now immediately I finish talking now, so that you see, but the main video will be coming after this weekly update. So we went to the event. Is a Abuja leather experience. I met a lot of people and see some leather works, shoe, wallet and other things. We even sell some exotic leather like python, ostrich, alligator, monitor lizard, just name it. All kinds of leather was there. We are there, and the simple leather as well. So I hope you guys will love it. So I'll be putting a little bit of the shots in this particular video, so expect it in 3 days to 4 days time. The main video I filmed here will be uploaded on this particular channel. So the work where I was doing before I went to the event, I didn't later finish it. It's still on the decks. The waste posts I talked about in the last week update. So I say the owner will be collecting it before 25th of this month. So we are almost due for the date, and I need to finish it. And there's a bag again. I need to make those waste posts, 10 of it, then the crossbody bag, 6 of it, then 1 handbag, and I've made the purse. So this morning when I came to the shop, I just cut the crossbody bag, 6 of it. So I'm about to start making those. So after I finish those, I will try to start making the handbag as well. So I'll show you the process of making it, or no, I might not even include the process of making it. So I'll make a separate video to show you how to make that particular bag. So that is it, you see. And on this video again, I think I'll be packaging these bags. I've not packaged them. The owner is still not back. He has not called me. So by the way, I would love to attend to some questions that people ask me. So finally guys, here are the bags I was talking about. So I finally make the rest of the souvenir, the crossbody bag. As you can see, there are 6 in number. So I decided to make them in different. I make this particular 2 with the bottom, the side I didn't divide the side, but this one, as you can see, it's having a stitch at the side. So I just make these 2 that way, then for the rest of the 4. So, and this is the rest of the one we did in the past. So here is what I did. I didn't just use the rope, so I decided to put the material on the rope, so it will give it like a more design stuff or bag. Hope you guys love this. So, and if you want me to show you, this is just a simple thing. It's not, this is the measurement is just, I think it's 11 by 10 or 11 by 9. Yeah, 11 by 9, and the rope is 50 inch. So that is just, it's just a simple bag. So I'm about to start the bag, the handbag right now. So as you can see, it's on the desk. So this is everything, and this is a little bit measurement of it. So when I finish, I'll just let you guys see how it's going. Then we'll be packaging this and the rest of the bag, the traveling bag I talked about, that will package in this video. So that is it. I will see you on the other side when I finish making the handbag. Thank you guys for watching. See you there. So quickly, I want to say something about the bag I said I will be making. So as you can see, I've finished ruling everything, and as you see, normally if you watch my video perfectly, where I normally use pen to rule or to take out my measurements, so I'm using HB pencil now, so that it's a two-phase material, so that if I want to clean, it will be much easier for me to clean any mark. That's why I'm using pencil. So that's just a quick note for you guys to take note. If you are working with material you're not going to be using lining, so it's better for you to use pencil instead of your pen, so that you can clean out any ruling that will be affecting your work. So these are tips for it. I hope you guys love it. So when I finish the bag, I'll be showing you the rest of the stuff. So it's left for me now to cut. Thank you guys for watching. So here the bag, guys. This is what I've done so far. So this is the handle. There is a mistake in this handle. The D-ring I want to use is smaller than what I expected, so I don't want to cut this. I might be going to the market. It's not might, I must be going to the market to change. And the zip I want to use again, I don't want to use silver zip. I prefer to use the gold zip because all the accessories on the bag are gold. So this is taking longer than expected, so everywhere is just littered now. So I think this is what I will be showing. I will be showing the rest of it in the next week updates, where I finish the bag. So there's something I want to talk about in this particular update. So this clip is a must to have if you are working on a bag. If you are a bag maker, there's something you should have. There's a bigger, this is the medium size, there's another one that is smaller than this. I also have the bigger one for bigger work. So everywhere is just litter. What I will be doing now is packaging this, so you see how I package this and package everything. So that bag, I'll be talking about it in the next week update. Thank you guys for watching, and let me proceed to packaging this. So guys, here are everything. As you can see, these are all the souvenir. I finished packaging everything, so I will be sending it to the owner. but probably I'm ending this week update here. So, and the bag I was making, this is the bag. Actually, I didn't finish it, so that will be included in the next week update. And when I will be delivering this to the owner, I will show like the picture of delivery or anything. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. You can leave a comment in the comment section down below if you have any question. Give this video a giant thumbs up, share this with your friend. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next week updates. Bye. And by the way, you should try as much as to watch the Abuja leather experience. It's coming after this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.